Hey guys, welcome to another video on personal finance tips and strategies. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you another high-paying career which you can obtain without having a college degree. This could allow you to earn a six-figure income with just a high school education. Before we go any further, I'm going to ask you kindly, if advertisements should interrupt this video, please patiently wait for them to finish. That's how the creator of this video gets compensated for providing you with this vital information and for trying to help you. Thanks a lot. Now let us move on. This high-paying career which I'm referring to is being a solar panel installer or renewable energy technician. This is a lucrative career opportunity with the earning potential of over $50,000 to $120,000 per year without having a college degree. You heard me right. This career opportunity can pay you between $50,000 to over $120,000 per year, and you do not have to have a college degree. Isn't that great? Now, contrary to popular belief, earning a six-figure income doesn't always require a college degree. With the right combination of skill, hustle, and experience, there are several career paths open to those with just a high school diploma. Now, the path to becoming a solar panel installer or renewable energy technician is this. There is a short training course that you will have to take to become certified. And that is the North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners. After getting certified, you can either get hired by a solar company, or you can choose to work independently. That's being your own boss. And you will be well on your way to be making $50,000 to $120,000 per year without having a college degree. Question: why does this pay? Renewable energy is a booming industry with government incentives and consumer demand driving its growth. Technicians with experience are in high demand. You are watching this video, who knows, maybe you have had a knock on the door and a sales guy is out there trying to pitch you solar panels. In my neighborhood, I've had several knocks on my doors. For the week, sometimes I have 4 people knocking on the door, calling on the phone, trying to sell solar panels. This is the direction in which technology is going. So you might want to position yourself, because there's going to be a great need for solar panel technicians. Just letting you know, they're high in demand. So don't be discouraged because you don't have a college degree. Your high school diploma can be the beginning of a financially rewarding career. Just be willing to learn and to hustle. Whether you prefer working with your hands, solving problems, selling or managing products, or managing projects, there is a six-figure future out there for you. No college degree is required. I hope that this video has offered some value to you. We are always doing our research and digging deep to come up with those high-paying careers that you might be interested in, and you don't need to have a college degree to take advantage of any of these. So keep on watching, guys. If this is not for you, maybe something else that we're going to be coming up with soon just might be for you. And remember, subscribe to this channel so you won't be missing none of these videos, and click on the thumbs up button to give us a like. By doing so, you're going to be helping us to grow this channel. And if you have something that you would like to share with us, maybe you have something of great value that you would like to share with the viewers, please do so by leaving your comments in the comment section below. Be on the watch out for our next video, but until then, please be safe. May God bless your efforts.